Hello ka mga math lovers! Today I will teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. So bakit nga ba fractions yung una nating example sa ating video? Kasi when we say fractions, most of us close-minded na agad, diba? Kasi ang hirap ng fraction, gusto ko lang naman yung whole numbers. Pero this time, I will give you some tips on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions easily. So if you're ready, now let's start. So, unahin muna natin yung addition. So, gagawa tayo ng examples for same denominators and different yung denominators. So, ano nga ba yung parts ng fraction? So, for example, 2 over 5. So, si 2, siya yung numerator, 5 is the denominator. So, pag same yung denominator, for example, 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5, just copy the common denominator, then add the numerator. So, 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5 over 5 or 5 over 5 that is equal to 1. So, as easy as that. So, wala tayong magiging masyadong problema pag same yung denominator. So, another example. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. So, just add the numerators. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then, copy the denominator which is 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Last example. 5 over 7 plus 3 over 7. So, 5 plus 3 is 8. Then, copy the common denominator, which is 7. So, that's the final answer. Okay, another example. Paano pag different yung denominators? Ano nga ba ang gagawin? So, di ba? Usually, when we were in elementary, tinuruan tayo kung paano gumamit ng LCD. But this time, di na tayo gagamit ng LCD kasi mas may madaling paraan kung paano natin makukuha yung answer without using LCD. For example, 2 over 3 plus 4 over 5. So just multiply the denominators. That is 3 times 5, 15. Then cross multiply. So 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4 times 3 equals 12. Then add the numerators. 10 plus 12 is equal to 22 over 15. That's it. Very easy, right? Okay, last example. 3 over 5 plus 4 over 7. So, multiply the denominators. 5 times 7, that is 35. Then, cross multiply. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4 times 5 equals 20. So, 21 plus 20 is 41 over 35. So we cannot reduce that one, so that's the final answer. Now let's proceed to subtraction. So the process in subtracting fractions is the same in addition. So for example, 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. So same sila ng denominator which is 5. So just copy the common denominator then subtract the numerator. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. That's why the answer is 1 over 5. Another example, 7 over 10 minus 3 over 10. So, same denominators. Just copy the common denominator, then subtract the numerator. So, that's 4 over 10 or in lowest term, that is 2 over 5. So, if different yung denominators, same lang ng process kanina sa addition. So, for example, 2 over 3 minus 4 over 9. So, multiply the denominators. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Then cross multiply. 2 times 9 is 18 minus 4 times 3 is 12. So, 18 minus 12 is 6 over 27. We can reduce that one. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So, the answer is 2 over 9. So, by the way, pag nag-reduce tayo, kukuha lang tayo ng number, the greatest number na makakapag-divide sa numerator and sa denominator. So, another example, 4 over 5 minus 1 over 7. So, multiply the denominators. So, 7 times 5 or 5 times 7 is 35. Cross multiply, 4 times 7 is 28 minus 1 times 5 is 5. So 28 minus 5 is equal to 23 over 35. We cannot reduce that one, so that's the final answer. So, diba? It's very easy. Now, let's proceed to multiplication of fractions. So, in multiplying fractions, just multiply the numerator times numerator, and the denominator times denominator. So, for example, 3 over 4 times 2 over 5. So, 3 times 2 is 6, then 4 times 5 is 20. In lowest term, that is 3 over 10. Okay, ganyan lang kadali yung multiplication. Another example, 5 over 7 times 2 over 6. So, multiply 5 times 2, 10. Then 7 times 6 is 42. We can reduce that one by 2, or 5 over 21. So, that's it. It's very easy lang yung multiplication, diba? So, yung skills natin sa multiplication ay magagamit natin sa next natin na examples for division. So, for example, example 1, 2 over 5 divided by 3 over 7. So, ang 2 over 5 is the dividend and our divisor is 3 over 7. So, just copy the dividend, which is 2 over 5. Change divide to multiplication. Then, 3 over 7, get the reciprocal of that. So, from 3 over 7, babalik ta rin lang natin just, that's 7 over 3. Then, multiplication process, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, 2 times 7 is 14, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Diba? Ang dali lang. So, wala na talagang chance na matakot pa tayo pag fractions na yung usapan, right? Okay, so another example, 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 8. So, copy 1 over 4, change division to multiplication, then get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, from 3 over 8, that is 8 over 3 na. Then, 1 times 8 is 8, 4 times 3 is equal to 12, or that is 2 over 3. Diba? Galing. As easy as that. So, that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!